Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today we're going to talk about stellar lumens. Can the buyers keep the rally going? We're going to try to answer that question today, because if so, then we're just going to extend our current price prediction and looking for stellar to continue to go higher in price. So welcome everyone to the channel. Let's go ahead and dive right on into our analysis. So far, you guys can see that our price prediction that we produced right there on July the 14th, it's been a long time. Here it is, November the 15th, and the market in stellar has finally, let me extend this out a little bit. It has finally came to our ultimate TP price just a couple of days ago, right there on the 12th of November. Now you guys can see prior to that, the market in stellar actually came down to our buyer's pocket right here on the August the 5th. So this was a great opportunity to come in and bag some stellar before the market ran up and tagged that 13.5 cent area. So I want to say congratulations to everyone who was able to hold on to this move this long, because it's been a very long ride in stellar market trading within 8.5 cents and like 10.5 cents for a couple of months. Well, here it is. You guys got the profit right now from the price prediction. So let's go ahead and get rid of this. Let's get rid of this arrow here. And the next thing we're going to get rid of are these sellers pockets right here. We don't need these pockets here anymore because those sellers did not hold back the buyers. So let's cut that out. Let's cut this out. And you can see currently that the sellers are doing a pretty good job at holding at bay the buyers from continually breaking out to the upside. Now that's why I'm titling this video, can this rally continue? Because the only way that it can continue is if the demand is stronger than a supply right there in that seller's pocket. If it is, then we can expect price and stellar to continue to go higher. If it's not, then we're going to look for the market to stop here and begin to decrease or go down in price. So let's take a look at stellar on a different time frame real quick. So here it is on the 2. We're just trying to do a quick view, quick glance as to see, okay, is the market looking weak now, or is it still maintaining the strength? Here it is on the 3. Stellar on the 4. So 12 hours and 12 minutes left. And you guys can see it from here that the market currently is still giving us some indications of some strength on these 3 4-day price bars of indications that the market wants to go up. Let's look at stellar on the 5. Okay, so all in all, I think we need to determine what's the probability of looking for these buyers to break this pocket. Because if they do break this pocket to the upside, then we need to look for price and stellar to continue to go higher. 2 days, 13 hours. Take a look. We're already getting a signal of a buy into the market in stellar, but that doesn't mean anything if we see price hitting resistance at a pocket. These pockets are a lot stronger than the signals that's being triggered on these price bar. Okay, here it is on the 2 weeks. Still on the 3. Here it is on the 5. Okay, so right now, breaking it down on the 330-minute chart, we are trending. The market in stellar is bullish. Okay, depending on which line you want to follow. But we are trending. The market is still bullish. And when you break down all of the selling that has occurred in the market in stellar right here, these up fake bars, what is the reaction? Is the market holding price firm here? Because if it is, we may see another gap at price trying to break above that pocket and continually trying to go higher. It may just top out at 15 cents though. So let's do this. Let's create a buyer's pocket here. And I think we may create another one. Okay. So let's do this one here too. So these are the 3 pockets. Okay. Let's say that the buyers get tired, or they flee, or they run away from buying in this pocket and price begins to go down. We at least want to see the market in stellar hold these buyers pockets. Okay. Now, if we really want to see the market continue to rally, we don't want to see price break this first buyer's pocket here. We wanted to see it hold that. I'm not looking for a massive rally if price breaks this first buyer pocket or even this second. We may just come back up here to this seller's pocket and actually trade there for a little bit and then continue to trend down. So I do suspect though that the market in Stellar is still trying to go higher. Okay. And let me zoom out so we can try to see wherever the next pockets be so we can create a target. So let's make this a seller's pocket. So we got these two additional seller's pockets that we're going to add to the chart, and it's going to be our targets. Okay, so the first target is going to be at this this middle seller's pocket right here, either at the low, which is Garner 6 3/4, or 6 1/4, or at the high, which is 8.76% at 14.5 cents. Then our last target is going to be around 15 cents. Now, just like the last time, you saw how long it took us for price to break out just to 13 cents in Stellar. So it may take another while for the market in Stellar to, move up to these other sellers' pockets. So at least you got to give the market that much time to at least play out. But currently, this is the current idea that I'm seeing. We can actually try to create a trend line so we can see it, just make it visually appeasing of what the trend looks like here in Stellar. All right, so that's it. I am done. Go ahead and give me your thoughts. Let me know if you think the market in Stellar is going to maintain a rally. If so, give me your price targets as to where you think the market's going to go before it begins to, and I'm talking about price begins to go down, and we'll see what happens. Make sure you maintain profit, and as always, trade different.